What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to our channel here at Vagabond Builds. And today we're going to be doing an installation video on a 2021 Volkswagen Jetta SE, and we're going to be doing an installation on a FiTCAM. This is a dash cam, so this is going to be recording as you're driving. It's a 4K Ultra HD, and this will also be fitting for other submodels in different Volkswagen cars, such as like Skoda and things of that sort. If you guys are watching this video, we will drop a discount code in the description below. So if you guys do buy through our channel, you will get a discount, and it does help us out too. If you like our content, please like the video, subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out, guys. If you have something for us to film, here's our email below. You can email us and we'll talk details later. Let's go ahead and start this installation. So kicking this video off with unboxing what's in this FiTCAMX box. And let's go ahead and open this box up. And here's your user manual. So for anybody that is going to be reading steps and things of that sort, you do have a user manual in multiple languages. That's a very cool option. Let's go ahead and pop this open. And the way you're going to be controlling this camera, everybody, just kind of right off the bat, is you are going to have to download an app and control it off an application. So typically on your phone, you're going to be controlling that. And this is what the camera looks like that will be going up on the rear view mirror. Here you go. Here goes your SD card right there. And then here's your camera on and off button. You're filming from here. And this is where we're going to be installing, and all the gadgets are going to go through here. So let's go ahead and start these steps. So now we're sitting in the car and we're getting ready to install the FiTCAM. And I already, for the sake of the video, had taken off the rear view mirror. And the way you do that is you're going to give it a nice tug so you can pop it out of this little circle. So just like that, what you're going to do is you're going to pull it to one side and you're going to pop it off. So it should come off. It's going to give it a nice tug for anyone that feels like they're going to break it. You're not going to break it. It's cool. So guys, the tools that you're going to be needing, they already integrate a little bit of plastic molding tool and a USB 2.0 micro SD right there, where you could just kind of plug in the SD card in that USB card. So we're gonna show you guys that pretty much you need this. I do have a little extra needle tool for unplugging the stock or original wire to go ahead and plug in the FiTCAM wire into the original system. So let's go ahead and start taking this off. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of nudge this little plastic panel remover in between these two plastic pieces. Show you guys, just like that. You're gonna hear some clips. Now you have two on each side. You wanna be careful, do it with finesse, because they're very sensitive clips. You don't wanna break them. So if you know anybody that has a heavy hand, just let them know. So look, two here, two on this side, and you want to make sure. And another thing you're going to do is you're going to bring these walls apart so you can drop the one in the front, just like that, and it should slide down. This is going to slide down. And this one, in order to take this piece off and not have a hard time, just to save you guys some time, is what I did was I turned this piece over to the left, just like that, and this drops. Okay, this cast iron piece, and this automatically falls off. You don't have to take this off if you can get that piece off, but I wanted to kind of make it a clean job. And if you want to lock it back into place, you're going to put it in at an angle, and you're going to turn it back over to the right, like that. Plug comes from here. We already unplugged it, so that original plug comes from here, and we unplugged it just like that. And having the camera now, something I want to mention to you is that this camera right here will come, or the plastic covers over the camera will come with extension pieces, just as this looks, where you have kind of that groove in there, or that channel. You will have 2 or 3 more of those, so you can cut them. We already cut them with a scissors, and we kind of just gave it a nice flush cut. But we took off, I believe, 3 of these portions to get a nice fitment up top. So take that into consideration. You will be cutting that to get a nice fitment. We're gonna go ahead and plug in these two plugs. The original goes into one. You'll hear a clip, and the FiTCAMX will go into the original piece to the car, and that clipped in. And one thing I want to show you guys also, I'm always showing you guys stuff on this, but see that little groove right here and this kind of little plastic piece that pops out? There's one on each side. Those are going to slide into this channel right here where my finger's kind of coming up and down. And as you're gonna give it a nice push, it's gonna clip in right over that little groove there, and it's gonna tighten up there, so it's gonna be flush with the windshield. Let's go ahead and show you guys. All right. Now, I wanna make sure that you guys know that just pay attention to the wiring so you're not pushing up against the wiring and the windshield. Make sure you're careful around the windshield so you don't hit it too hard and crack the windshield or anything of that sort. But pretty much you will hear a nice click. It's gonna be a little bit rough when you're sliding into those channels, and you're gonna have a nice click in. You wanna make sure that you're putting uniform pressure, so pressure here and pressure here as you're clipping in, and it kind of pops in flush with the windshield. So now you're pretty much done with the installation to that FiTCAMX front camera. So you're filming things, you know, if you want to put, if you're renting out your car or family's driving it or things of that sort, you want to protect yourself with regards to insurance purposes, as maybe accidents or things. This is a very good idea to have. We're not going to put this rear view mirror on for the sake of the video and the time, because it's pretty straight to the point. When you guys do go put it on, remember, it's going to be a nice push on this mirror. You're gonna feel like you're breaking it, but you're not. You're gonna have to pop that in real hard. So don't be scared if you're going to feel like you're breaking it. So guys, we're pretty much done with the installation of this FiTCAM dash cam. Now remember, we do have the discount code in the description below. Does really help us out. So thank you guys so much for watching our channel here at Vagabond Builds. Stay tuned, we have other cool things coming.